Okay, so today we're going to do how to do laundry. We're just going to do one load. I'll do one video on the washing machine and one video on the dryer. Okay, so we have Vanderkills, basket of clothes. Here's our washing machine. I'll take the basket of clothes, and here is our soap. We use pods. Put 2 pods in, and then we put our clothes in. And then we put a little softener. Put a little softener in. And then, since everybody's been, with the coronavirus and stuff, I've been putting a splash of bleach in with all our clothes just to get a little extra kill viruses and bacteria. And then we close the lid. And then on ours, the whites, which is what I use. And then on Becky's clothes, when she comes home from work, I use hot. She works in a rest home. And then for ours is warm. And then once everything is in there, you push the start button and then wash the clothes. It's water. See the water? That was just a short little video. How to put the clothes in the washing machine and how to start the wash. We'll do dryer after it gets done. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.